Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Survival of the Fittest. Let's resume our session. Next question is, two linked gene A and B shows 20% crossing over. The number of test cross F2 individuals of a hybrid cross. So in this question, basically asked about, this is that these two genes A and B genes. These both genes are linked and showing the crossing over only 20%. So it means 20% crossing over means 20% recombinant are formed and other remaining 80% are our parents. So parental combination is 80% and 20% are the recombinants. So the number of test cross F2 individuals of a hybrid between plus plus and A and B. So अगर यहाँ पे क्रॉसिंग करते हैं प्लस प्लस क्रॉस इनटू ए बी एंड ए बी, सो यहाँ पे प्लस इनटू ए बी, तो प्लस ए एंड प्लस बी, इस तरह का कॉम्बिनेशन ऑप्टेन होगा। और इसको अगर टेस्ट क्रॉस कराया जाता है, सो टेस्ट क्रॉस यहाँ पे क्या है, प्लस प्लस है होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट, homozygous dominant, and A and B are the recessive parent. So here we cross with the homozygous. In test cross we always cross with the homozygous recessive parents. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, प्लस ए बी आ जाएगा, प्लस ए एंड ए बी, प्लस बी एंड ए बी। ओके, सो इस तरह का कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ पे देखा जा रहा है, प्लस प्लस ए बी, ये हमारा क्या है, पेरेंटल टाइप है। ए बी ये भी पेरेंटल टाइप है। एंड ए प्लस ए बी ये वाला, ये हमारा रिकॉम्बिनेंट टाइप। एंड प्लस बी ए बी ये हमारा हो जाएगा रिकॉम्बिनेंट टाइप। सो यहाँ पे 80% मीन्स 40-40 पेरेंटल टाइप होंगे एंड 20% रिकॉम्बिनेंट मीन्स 10% यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, जो प्रोजेनी जो होगी रिकॉम्बिनेंट टाइप का हमें ऑप्टेंड होगा। सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which of the following carries extracellular genetic material? So this is one of the simplest question, because we all know that mitochondria and chloroplast. Chloroplast is only found in the plant cell. So mitochondria and chloroplast both have their own genetic material and extra nuclear genetic material, because in these organelles also some genetic materials, some genes are found. So option number B is the correct answer for this question. Ribosomes are known as protein factory because these are participate in the formation of proteins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is essential for secretory protein synthesis, and chromosome is itself a genetic material. So this is wrong. So option number B is the correct answer. In this question, they asked about, if diploid set of chromosomes are this one, then which of the following is an example of double trisomy? Double trisomy means two of these genes or chromosomes have extra copy, because this is the diploid form, and if extra copy is found, then it is called a trisomy. So double trisomy means in all of these, each out of these two have extra copy. So in first option there is only one gene have extra copy, that is C. So this is wrong. In second option, there is two genes B and C have extra copy and other are in normal in diploid form. So this one is the correct answer. And this is the correct example of double trisomy. This is not true. So option number B is the correct answer. In this question, they are asked about two bar bodies will be found in the person with chromosome arrangement. So in these options, we have to found the two bar bodies in this question. So what is bar body? Bar body is mainly the inactivated X chromosome. So generally one is the normal chromosome and one is the inactivated X chromosome found in the somatic cells of the female bodies. So this one is the normal chromosome and -1. So X minus 1 number of X chromosome -1 is known as bar body. So if we calculate this, there is 3 X chromosome. So 3 minus 1, there is 2 bar body. 2 X chromosome, 2 minus 1, there is only 1 bar body. X0 means no bar body is found here. This is the situation of Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, where bar body is absent. And this there is 4X chromosome. It means 4 minus 1 means here 3 bar bodies are found. So in this question asked about 2 bar bodies. So 2 bar bodies are found in the option number A. So first option is the correct answer. In this question, a tautomeric shift that causes the substitution of a purine for a pyrimidine and vice versa is called as. So there is a different type of mutation. So in this substitution mutation, purine is substituted with pyrimidine or pyrimidine is substituted with purine, or purine is also substituted with the purine. So if purine is substituted or replaced with purine, it is called transition. And same as pyrimidine also. But if purine or pyrimidine both are substituted, purine is substituted with pyrimidine, then it is called transversion type of mutation. So this is transversion. This is the example of transversion. Transition is simply one form is replaced with another. Like A is replaced with G. So this is the transition mutation. Which codon in the following messenger RNA will act as a terminator codon? So terminator or stop codon, we all know that UAA, UAG and UGA. These three are the known as stop codons. So AUG is starting codon, UGC, UAC, UU here. This one is the stop codon. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth one is the fourth codon. So option number A is the correct answer for this question. This question says that which one of the following is a test cross? So we all know that test cross is the crossing between F1 generation with the homozygous recessive parent. So homozygous recessive parents crossed with F1 generation. So here this one is the correct answer because these all are the heterozygous. This one is only the homozygous and recessive. So homozygous recessive parent. So this option is the correct answer for this question. In this question, giving a scenario that if a couple, husband having X-linked deadly disease, wife homozygous normal, seeks your advice regarding having children, what will be your advice out of the following? So this one is the, if this one is the disease and cross with homozygous normal, it means this wife is homozygous normal. So if we cross this, obtain the X disease with X, X disease with X, and Y with X, and Y with X. So they safely go with the son, because if daughter here, the daughter is diseased or carrier for that disease. So they will have 50% chance of having the affected male child. No, male child, all male child are disease free. So they can safely go for only female child. No, because female child are diseased, carrier for disease, and they can safely go for only male child. This is correct because only male child are disease free. They should not plan to have baby. So this is not an option. So option C is the correct answer. In this question, we simply match the list first with the list second. So in this list first, given some classes, name of classes. Here is the example of some animals. So gastropoda, we all know that gastropoda, the phyla is come in the class of gastropoda. So one is matched with D. So here is only one option. So one is matched with C. Then Polychaeta, Polychaeta is belongs to the Nereis. So Nereis belong to the Polychaeta class. And Insecta, in this class there is Lepisma, which is also known as silverfish, silverfish. And Holothuridia, here the sea cucumber or cucumeria is belongs to the Holothuridia. So first is belongs to the D, Polychaeta with C, Insecta with A, and Holothuridia with B. So option number B is the correct answer for this question. In this question, which one of the following is not a character of organisms of phylum Porifera? So यहाँ पे पूछा है not a character. Phylum Porifera, we all know that pore-bearing animals, where they bear two types of pore, ostia and osculum. Yes, this is correct because there is small, large number of pores are present for water entry in canal system. So ostia, this is called ostia, and one large pore which is called osculum for water exit. So this is the correct answer. Next one is the they are called sponges. Yes, poriferans are also called sponges. So this is also correct. And they are acoelomate. Yes, this is also correct because they do not have any true body cavity. So these are in the acoelomate. These are acoelomate organisms, and they are either oviparous or viviparous. No, this is wrong because oviparous and viviparous, these terminology are used for the complex reproductive system, which do not present in the poriferans. And poriferans generally reproduce by sexually and asexually reproduction. Asexual reproduction by gemule formation and budding. So this is wrong. All these are the correct. So यहाँ पे नोट पूछा है तो अपना आंसर हो जाएगा, that is option number D. Next is the sporocyst is the larva of. So sporocyst, Cercaria, Metacercaria, these all are the larva of liver flu. That is fasciole. This is the trematode, and This is a parasitic flatworm. Their life cycle, there is 5 different type of larva. Metacercaria, Cercaria, Radia, and larva is Metacidium. Metacidium. Second is Radia. Third one is the Sporocyst. Fourth is the Cercaria. And fifth one is the Metacercaria. So these different type of larvae are found in the liver fluke. This is also called Fasciola hepatica. And Cyclone is belongs to the class Porifera and phylum Porifera. Sorry. So it is in this there are one larval form which is in the cyclone. There is Amphiblastula larval form is present, and in other poriferans there is also a larval form which is called Penenclimula and Dragon larva. Tinea, which belongs to the also it is flatworm, and in this only Cercaria larva is found, not Sporocyst is not present. Ascaris is a nematode and it but directly, nor any larval form was present in the Ascaris. So option number D is the correct answer.